Welcome to Sunmar's YouTube channel, where we talk about all things composting toilet. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now let's get to today's video. Hi, it's Ray from Sunmar, your global composting experts and leaders in composting toilets for over 40 years. Even though they compost, our toilets are designed to be used just like a regular toilet, with regular toilet paper and zero chemicals. They can go pretty much anywhere. House in the city, we have a toilet for you. Cottage on the lake, we have a toilet for you. Garages, barns, bunkies, tiny homes, cabins, farms, resorts, basements, even underground, you name it, we have a toilet for you. So they can go anywhere and you can get one anywhere, from a major retailer near you or online at your favorite web store. We have a lineup of composting toilets to fit your specific needs, all of which are certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, or NSF, to Standard 41. Today, I'm standing beside the XL toilet, our premier top-of-the-line self-contained composting toilet. The XL has been at the center of our self-contained lineup for over 40 years. It's an electric toilet, which means it can handle greater volumes of use, and it's an ideal addition to any bathroom or anywhere else you need a toilet. The XL is completely self-contained, so it uses no water and you don't need septic. I know, it all sounds too good to be true, but it is true. Okay, I'm just about done, so I'm almost out of time. Please stay tuned to more Sunmar videos. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Feel free to share and follow us for more videos. See you next time.